What's up, everyone? Nick here with Nick's Overhead Doors. We are out in Algonquin, Illinois today. Door's a little bit of a mess. We got a cable off on the left-hand side. We're gonna get this thing straightened out for him and get him back in working condition. All right, we're just wrapping this service call up. We had a cable off on the left side. After getting the door down, we realized the track was pretty messed up on the right-hand side. We put a new piece of track on. Everything else was okay. We adjusted the spring tension, the chain, and he's back in business.